This camping cookware set gives my family of 4 everything we need in one small container. The outer pot has these fantastic handles that pop out, and it comes with this lid. It has silicone edging to keep it sealed, super sturdy. It also has a drainage on the side for pastas or anytime you need to drain out water. It has a frying pan piece, which I'll come back to, and then a slightly smaller pot with its own lid that also has drainage so you can drain pasta or anything you want out of it. And it comes with a cutting board. This is the piece to make the 2 other pots work. It's this fold-out handle that you just pop right on. I love this frying pan. It is non-stick. The heating on the bottom is just solid enough that I get solid heat throughout, and it's so good to use. I can take that handle off really easily. It folds up small, and it's the same handle I use on the smaller pot. Pops right on, so sturdy. So I can cook my pasta and my rice and my eggs and my meat, whatever I want with this full set. And I love that when I need to pack it all up, it all packs up together very easily. I have everything I need for cooking for my family of 4 within one small package. I didn't have the handle in here to start, but I usually put it on top of the interior lid so it will not scratch those non-stick surfaces. And I have had this for so many years now, and it has just held up, works fantastic, absolutely love it.